It's the end of the year, and I'm giving you different herbs that you can have or add to your diet to improve your health, as well as help you enjoy the Christmas or the Yellowtide season. Today, I'm going to be reviewing a very special plant, a plant that is available, maybe growing in your compound, that you need to eat as you are eating all these mede this December. Add it to your diet. And the name of the plant is called Dandelion. Dandelion can be found in Nigeria here. Yoruba have, I think they call it Ewe Ayanri or something like that, but it's usually also called wild lettuce. Today I'm reviewing Dandelion. Dandelion is super effective. It's a hepatoprotective herb, and it's super effective in cases of liver-related problems. If you're having liver problem, add Dandelion to your meals, as your salads, and to other things that you eat to help you. So let's dive into the study. Dandelion is effective in cases of dealing with hepatitis. This is a plant you want to eat, and if you're having liver diseases. It's effective in anemia, arthritis and bloating, if you have acne, small breast, constipation, abscess, and several other complaints. What are the actions of dandelion? It is an alterative, it is a blood tonic, it has a diuretic property, which means it can make you to pee. It is a liver tonic, it is a troporestorative. Action: it has a lot of cholinergic acid, depurative, digestive, alkaline, alterant, and anorectic. Now, what are the nutrients in dandelion? It is very rich in beta-carotene. It is also rich in beta-sitosterol, in boron, and caffeic acid. Dandelion combines well with aloe vera, but I'm not talking about it. What is the taste of a dandelion? It's bitter. The nature of the plant is cool. When you touch it, it's cool. What are the side effects? It may cause skin reactions for some people who have allergy to it. It may cause irritation, especially if you are juicing it. I want you to have this plant in form of a salad, not as a juice. Avoid consumption if you have been diagnosed with gallstones, especially large or tiny gallstones, because it causes movement within the gallbladder, so that you don't have it stuck somewhere. Now, if you are using diuretics or drugs that causes you to urinate, you want to minimize how much of dandelion you take. But if you are having it as a salad, it will not affect. Now, what is this plant? It is a flowering plant. It is perennial. It grows in tropical climates. It grows up to 30 centimeters. It is good for liver-related complaints, and it is also used in cases of lower gastrointestinal problems. Now, dandelion is rich in fiber. That's why you have it in form of salads. It's very beneficial. This is Christmas time. You're going to be eating fried foods and all of that. Add dandelion to your meal. It has potassium content, which is beneficial in lowering blood pressure. It is an effective detoxifier. Dandelion helps the liver in its detoxification function. It's not dandelion that is doing it, it's your liver. The presence of dandelion in your diet improves your liver function. It encourages the liver to remove toxins, to help improve the digestion. It stimulates appetite. It helps also in case of stomach problems like indigestion, bloating, constipation. Dandelion is very beneficial if you are having skin-related problems, especially as a result of congestion from the liver. If you are dealing with cancer, you want to add dandelion to your salad. It's very good. If you are having cases of fibroids or tumors, dandelions are very beneficial. If you usually have swollenness in your leg or painful joints, dandelion, add it to your diet. So as you go about going from place to place, journeying from place to place, traveling for this Christmas, look in your compound, you will see dandelion. It usually likes to grow around the dustbin. It could grow around the rocky places. You can find dandelion in odd places. And I can tell you that dandelion is in your compound right now. Go outside, look at the picture on the screen and use it to look for it. You can also find it in your local market. In this December, I'm talking to you about herbs that can help you to enjoy your life as well as help you to prevent health. And I'll see you tomorrow as I talk more about plants. Bye.